Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable slow case on Samsung Galaxy. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up settings on your mobile device, and then you need to click the settings. And the next step, then you need to scroll down, find and locate this accessibility. If you find already this accessibility, and then you need to click again. So here in accessibility, and the next step, then you need to select this interactions and dexterity, and then click again. So here in interactions and dexterity, and then you need to scroll down again. And at the bottom, then you can see this three option settings. So here at auto actions after pointer stop, then we have sticky case, slow case, and then bounce case. But before to proceed, so what is this slow case on Samsung Galaxy phone? So it's an accessibility feature that allows users to specify how long a key must be held down before the system recognize it as a key press. So this helps individuals with motor difficulties or tremor to prevent accidental or multiple key presses. Alright, so that's what is mean about this slow case. On how to enable or disable this slow case. And on right side, you can see this button, and then if you want to toggle this on, that means this already enabled. Hold with 0.3 seconds about this slow case. If you want to disable, so toggle off this button, and that's it guys. Alright, so it's very simple on how to enable or disable slow case on Samsung Galaxy. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.